Hi everyone, you are welcome to Cloudy 360 Computer Training class. In today's lesson, this is what we have for how to type mathematical equations correctly. Let's type root pi. Here, what you will do is to move straight to Insert, then go to Equation, click on it so you will see this. Then you move to this point and click on this symbol. As you can see from the screen there, you move straight to these characters. Then click on the down arrow to make a right choice as you can see on the screen. Again, to type this, go back to Insert, then move to Equation. There you will see the symbols. Then click on it. The something like this will pop up on the screen. Then type letter E from computer keyboard. Then click on the power, press minus key. Then move straight to this symbol up here, click on it. And then click again on the power function, press 1, and click on the down power function, press 2. Again, to type this, move again to Insert, and then click on the Equation. Then select this symbol, then move to the active cell here to import the characters. Again, to type this one, then move to Insert, again, click on Equation. But please don't go to this first, move to bracket option first. Then select this as you can see on the screen. Then activate the bracket, then move back to this symbol. Then select 3x3 matrix, then you import the values. Thanks for watching and please like my video.